Imagine a world where humans and wildlife coexist in harmony, but with species disappearing at a rate 100 times faster than ever before. Can we afford to wait? The current state of wildlife conservation is a complex issue, with many factors at play, from habitat destruction to climate change. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer scale of the problem, but it's essential to understand that every small action counts. For instance, habitat destruction, which is when we destroy or damage the natural homes of animals, is a significant threat to many species, and it's often caused by human activities like deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture. As we move forward, it's crucial to recognize the importance of preserving biodiversity, which is just a fancy way of saying we need to protect the variety of different plants and animals that live on our planet. This isn't just about saving cute and cuddly animals, it's about maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystem, which is like a big web of relationships between living things and their environment. When one species disappears, it can have a ripple effect, impacting many other species, and even the health of our planet as a whole. So what can we do to make a difference? And how can we work together to create a better future for wildlife? One approach is to support conservation efforts, like national parks and wildlife reserves, which provide a safe haven for animals to thrive. We can also make conscious choices in our daily lives, like reducing our carbon footprint, using eco-friendly products, and supporting sustainable agriculture. Additionally, technology is playing a significant role in wildlife conservation, from camera traps and drones to genetic analysis and artificial intelligence. These tools are helping us monitor and track animal populations, understand their behavior, and develop more effective conservation strategies. By combining traditional conservation methods with innovative technologies, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complex relationships within ecosystems. This integration of technology and traditional methods is already showing promising results, from monitoring endangered species to predicting and preventing poaching. For example, camera traps are allowing us to study animal behavior in unprecedented detail, while drones are helping us track wildlife populations over vast areas. Genetic analysis, on the other hand, is enabling us to identify individual animals and understand their social structures, which is crucial for developing effective conservation plans. Artificial intelligence is also being used to analyze large datasets and identify patterns that can inform conservation decisions. One of the most exciting developments in wildlife conservation is the use of machine learning algorithms to analyze data from camera traps and other sources. These algorithms can automatically identify species, detect patterns of behavior, and even predict when and where poaching is likely to occur. This allows conservationists to respond quickly and effectively to emerging threats and to develop targeted strategies for protecting vulnerable species. By leveraging these technologies, we can make conservation efforts more efficient, effective, and sustainable. As we look to the future, it's clear that technology will play an increasingly important role in wildlife conservation. From satellite imaging to acoustic monitoring, new tools and techniques are being developed all the time, and conservationists are finding innovative ways to use them. By embracing these technologies and combining them with traditional conservation methods, we can build a more comprehensive and sustainable approach to protecting the world's wildlife. So what's next for wildlife conservation, and how can you get involved? Check out our next video where we'll be exploring the role of community-led conservation and how you can make a difference.